Today is International Children's Day. Each child is unique in their own way. Each one is a miracle, a blessing, and a star. The light they ignite can be seen from afar. So today, let us celebrate our wonderful treasures, whom we love unconditionally, always and forever. Children carry the hopes of our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. May the innocence in their smiles and the purity of their hearts stay forever unfaded. The most precious thing in this world is a smile on the face of a child. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. I feel blessed to serve the future of nation. Our child is every one of you. It's a miracle with each one of you having your own ways to make this world a better place. A child is a beam of sunlight from the infinite and the eternity. Dear children, during the lockdown, you have been spending a lot of time at home, almost all the time. I want you to understand and learn this one simple word responsibility. When you think of this word, what comes to your mind? Getting your school assignment done on a time, helping your parents and families with household work, or watching out your little brother or sister. Is that responsibility? Yes, it is. It is something more too. Kindly repeat this mantra after me. I take responsibility for my thoughts. I take responsibility for my words. I take responsibility for my actions. When you are careful about your thoughts, your words, your actions, you will begin to be a transformed human being, a greater version of yourself. In short, when you practice responsibility, you are on your way to making your life the very best. The greatest legacy one can pass on to one's children and grandchildren is not money or any other material things, but rather a legacy of good character and faith. My dear children, may your childhood be full of joy. May you grow up as a strong and meritorious person, making your parents, your school proud. Have a joyful Children's Day. Nothing in the life has a problem. Everything is possibility. Life is offering many opportunities to win or lose. It is up to each one how we face each situation and excel in that. COVID-19 pandemic brought a great challenge to all of us. Let us see how it affects the lives of our students.
Ekta, get up soon and get ready for the school. Ekta, are you getting up or not? Hurry up.
Please, mummy, 5 minutes more.
Ekta, get up. Get up. Ekta, get up.
हे भगवान, कुछ ऐसा करो कि हमें स्कूल से लंबी छुट्टी मिल जाए और हम देर तक सोए रहें।
Come, get ready for the school.
As the COVID cases are increasing day by day, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared that school will be closed with further notice.
Ekta, stop.
Yes, Papa, what happened?
There is a lockdown. As it is spread all over the world, so no need to go to school.
Really?
Chutti.
Oh, what happened this? How we will manage the situation? My God, oh God.
Protocols should be followed during COVID-19. Clean your hand frequently with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of this tissue immediately and clean your hands regularly. If you develop symptoms or test positive for COVID-19, self-isolate until you recover.
Beta Ekta.
Yes, Papa.
Come here, beta.
Yes, Papa.
From Monday onwards, your online classes are beginning, beta.
Wow, online classes.
Yes, beta.
So, Papa, I don't have to go to school?
Yes, beta.
Morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
We all are fine, teacher.
Switch on your camera. Shireen,
Yes, teacher.
why you are eating in between the class?
Sorry, teacher.
Ekta,
Yes, teacher.
what you are doing?
Sorry, teacher.
Studi,
Yes, teacher.
you are combing here in between the class.
Sorry, teacher.
Sanjay,
Yes.
sit properly.
Yes, teacher.
Students, I think you are facing some problem with the online classes. Don't worry, I will help you out. See, can you see the three dots on the right side of the corner?
टीचर कहाँ है? नहीं दिख रहा.
Beta, see right side of the corner. Just click on that.
सुनो, आपकी चाय और नाश्ता तैयार है, लीजिए.
Sheetal, please switch off your mic.
टीचर, कहाँ से होगा माइक बंद?
Beta, there is a mic option downside. Click it.
Okay, teacher.
Sheetal, why Palak is not attending the class?
Teacher, I don't know.
Okay, I will see. Leave the class.
Thank you, teacher. Bye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day, teacher.
हेलो,
हेलो.
आप पलक के पापा बोल रहे हैं सर?
जी हाँ.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
मैं उसकी क्लास टीचर बोल रही थी.
हाँ बोलिए मैम.
सर, पलक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नहीं अटेंड कर रही है.
मैडम हमारे पास एक मोबाइल है और लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ है.
जी
दूसरा मोबाइल नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, पर हम कोशिश करेंगे.
जी, ओके सर.
The whole world is waiting eagerly for an effective vaccine to fight against coronavirus. It was not only affected lives but also impacted people both physically and mentally. There are more than 117 vaccines in progress right now, but closer home we have pinned our hope on India's first vaccine called Covaxin.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
Hi. 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 Do you know our school is going to reopen on Monday onwards? Oh, that's a good news. Oh, we will do masti in the school.
Okay, bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
कितना मजा आ रहा है ना स्कूल आके।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है स्कूल आके। बहुत खुशी हो रही है स्कूल
Good morning, teacher.
Let's start the prayer. Teacher, I have forgotten all the prayers. Oh my God. Pick out your diaries. Teacher, I did not bring diary. I am not praying. Nobody has prayed. No, teacher. Okay, tomorrow you take and prepare. Yes. Now, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Let's start the lesson. Dear students, every year we are celebrating the Children's Day meaningfully. This year also we are planning to celebrate in different way. So this year we are conducting various competitions such as the group dance, group song, etc. 1 minute. Those who like to participate can give the name your class teacher. Thank you.
Teacher, I will participate in dance.
Okay.
I also will teach
For what?
dance.
Okay. Then others?
I want to sing a song.
Okay.
I also.
Yes. What about others?
Teacher, I also participate in dance.
Okay.
Teacher, I like to sing and take part in group song.
Okay.
We all participate. Yes, teacher. We all participate.
Okay. Yes. Now you go.
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे लागे रे सावरे ले तेरा हुआ जिया का जिया का जिया का ये गाँव रे मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे लागे रे सावरे लिखेला मैंने जिया का जिया का जिया का है दावरे
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना भाए ना भाए ना भाए छाँव रे।
मनवा लागे ओ मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे लागे रे सावरे ले तेरा हुआ जिया का जिया का जिया का ये गाँव रे
तेरी मेरी गल्लाए होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू, तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बाबरे। के रातां लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे। के रातां लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे।
रंगीला मारो ढोलना ढोलना वे रंगीला मारो ढोलना ढोलना वे आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना रंगीलो मारो ढोलना ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना
प्यार के गीत जरा सुन ले, ओ प्यार के गीत जरा सुन ले। मैं आया रे,
हमारे आंगना दुआरे
Respected Sister Principal, Sister Janie, Father Narinder, Sister Vincy, my dear non-teaching and teaching staff, and you all my little children. Children's Day is celebrated in India to pay tribute to our former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great personality, and therefore each year on 14th of November, on his birth anniversary, is marked as a praise of his love for the children. Dear children, you all are the gift of God, and you all are the flower which is chosen by God to make this earth as a beautiful garden. You all are great people. Your parents are so lucky, and we all are too, because you all are genuine person. You all are great personalities. You are innocent people, and you have lot of talent in you. We try our best to give you root and wings. Root we give you as giving you an education, and wings, I must say, we give you so that you can see the outer world very clearly, that is by having an extracurricular activities. My dear children, you are also the great creation of God, but you all are living and we all are living in this world. Therefore, we have to face a lot of challenges. And to face these challenges, your school tries their level best to teach you to face those challenges by learning the techniques, by learning your studies, by following the rules and regulations, and becoming a smart person. You all are wonderful people, and therefore I pray to God that on this Children's Day, the Lord may bless you with gift of knowledge and wisdom, so that you may grow in this world and become the great future of our country. I really thank the Lord for having you in our school, because you all are a gift even for us. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
What happened, Nita? Why are you crying?
Teacher, I'm so disappointed. I wasted lot of time. I did not take it seriously, the study. Today, I realize how important for a child to come and study in school. Last 1 year, I missed all these things. Teachers, you were trying to help us in the online classes, but we did not take it seriously. Yes, really, school is a temple of God. I will never miss my school and my teachers.
History has proved that every person was an unknown until he or she became consumed with a dream and a desire that burned within, compelling him or her to do whatever was necessary to achieve those dreams. If you have the will to learn, you are bound to succeed.
With strong roots, a tree will survive any storm.
When you create a strong foundation, your great efforts will withstand the many storms and challenges you inevitably face in achieving your goals. Grounding is what you use to nourish and nurture your goals. Let this Children's Day be a memorable one in your life. Wishing you a very joyful and colorful Happy Children's Day.